Yeah, we have to cut a piece of thread from the bobbin using a scissors. So be careful while using the scissors. Please take the help of your parents while using the scissors. So this is a piece that we have cut. So let us now insert the balloon into the straw and tie with the help of a thread. You have to knot the balloon tightly so that there is no air gap between the straw and the balloon. First we have made the hole. Now blow the balloon and again insert the straw into the hole. And see that the straw does not touch the floor and it should be in the middle of the foam piece. Now let's release the balloon and see the hovercraft flying.